everyone. Okay, so today I shall be making some of this popular recipe, which is fruit and yogurt bark that is frozen. And so basically you just can take whatever fruit and whatever other crap you got in your cupboard and fridge, and you just put it with some yogurt and you freeze it and it becomes bark. So we're gonna try that today. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. All right, so we're gonna lay down some parchment paper on our pan. I'm using Oikos 000 vanilla yogurt. It's super good and it has nothing in it, apparently 0 items in it. You can add honey. I'm debating whether I want to add that or not, as well as cinnamon. I'm going to be using blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, some raw almonds, and some cherries today. But again, you can use whatever crap you got. I've measured out the parchment paper onto the pan. I'm going to now spread out a thin layer of yogurt. Okay, I spread out the yogurt into the pan. I used like a little over half of this jar. So let's see. This is approximately 32 ounces. I would say I used about 20 ounces, give or take. I did not measure. And it took some finagling. I wasn't really sure how thick to do it, but looks pretty good to me. So there you have it. Now I shall be adding the toppings. All right, so I added the fruit and the almonds. Looks super good. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Okay, so we have let this yogurt bark take a little snooze in the freezer. We're gonna take it out and see what we're working with here. Okay, my technique here, I'm gonna use a pizza cutter, try to cut some, I guess, bars of some sort. Okay, turns out you can't cut it with a pizza cutter because it's too frozen. So we're gonna try to just like smash it, I guess. Okay, so I just picked it up by the parchment paper and I just kind of broke it, and it breaks really easily. So I guess we're not going for perfection here. We're just going for yumminess. So I would say it's a success. What do you think, Olivia? Success. Okay, so you do need to store this in the freezer, however, because it will melt like pretty quick. I would say probably within like 5 minutes or so. So it's just like a nice little summertime treat. All right, Chef, please enjoy. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for tuning in for our yogurt bark video. Now, quick side note, if you do have tooth sensitivity, this is not the recipe for you because it honestly kind of hurts your teeth if you have any cold sensitivity. If you do, I recommend seeing your local dentist. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.